Most skilled worker visa refusals aren't because applicants are unqualified. They are refused because the application doesn't make sense to the Home Office. In part 1, I explained how to switch to skilled worker visa from inside the UK. In this video, I'm going to show you why applications fail, even when salary, role, and documents look fine on paper. These are real patterns we see after refusals land. The wrong SOC code. This is the most common and yet least understood. Applicants assume the Home Office matches on the job title. It doesn't. Caseworker assess actual duties, seniority, and business need. If your duties align 60% with one SOC code and 40% with another, they will question. This is where even sponsored role fails, where the salary meets the threshold but not the role. Meeting £41,700 is not enough. Salary must make sense for that role within the business. For example, a junior role like sales executive earning a senior salary or senior title but junior responsibility. Salary inflated just to cross the threshold. When salary logic breaks, the Home Office questions genuineness. Yet another mistake, COS tells a different story. The certificate of sponsorship is not a formality. If COS duties, working hours, or reporting timelines don't match your contract or application, that's a refusal risk. Caseworker cross-check. They always do. Another mistake, the sponsor looks unprepared. This is uncomfortable, but important. Some refusals are about the employer, not the applicant. Some of the red flags, like new sponsor with no clear business activity, no explanation of why the role is needed, poor compliance history or generic job description. A skilled worker visa is a business immigration decision, not just a HR exercise. Another mistake is assuming Section 3C will save me. Section 3C protects you only if your application is valid. If application is invalid, late, or improperly submitted, Section 3C doesn't apply. This is how people accidentally become oversteer. Another mistake is copying a friend's application. What worked for your colleague last year may fail today because rules change, threshold change, interpretation changes. Home Office assesses context, not templates. Thinking will fix it after refusal? Refusals don't just delay things, they sit on your immigration record, trigger sponsor scrutiny, make future application harder, not easier. Prevention is always cheaper than damage control. If you're switching to a skilled worker visa, the question isn't, can I apply? It's, does this application make sense to the Home Office? If you want a proper review of your role, salary, and sponsorship structure before you apply, book a consultation using the link below. And if you found this helpful, watch part 1. It lays foundation. Thank you for watching.